5 household items you shouldn't clean with vinegar. If vinegar is your go-to cleaning solution, you should totally check out these home cleaning tips, because vinegar is not safe for every cleaning. As an eco-friendly advocate, I believe that when vinegar is distilled with water, it can be used to clean nearly everything, particularly tough stains such as blood and coffee stains from clothing, coffee makers, and other surfaces. This makes it unarguably one of the most effective and popular cleaning agents on the market. Be that as it may, it is important to note that this holy grail cleaning agent is not safe for everything. Due to its acidic nature, it has also been proven to cause damage to certain household appliances. You should definitely check out these home cleaning tips. 5 household items you shouldn't clean with vinegar. Of course, we will leave you a bonus tip at the end of this video. So, stay glued. Number 1. Washing machines and dishwashers. Distilled vinegar solutions are frequently used in either clothes or dishwashing machines to get rid of bacteria, stains, and foul odors. As effective as this solution is at completing its responsibilities, it also causes damage to the rubber pipes of these machines, leading them to wear out quickly by gradually melting the pipes over time, thus resulting in leakage. Number 2. Screens on smartphones and computers. Vinegar can damage your phone's screen protective layer, and it's also not a smart idea to use this on any computer screen. The ideal home cleaning tip for computer and phone screens is to wipe the screens of your electronic devices with isopropyl alcohol, which is known for killing germs and unpleasant microorganisms. You can also use delicate, microfiber towels to clean the screens of your electronic gadgets to remove dust and other contaminants. Number 3. Furniture made of wood and waxed floors. While vinegar is lauded as the cleaning agent for almost everything, we do not recommend using it on waxed furnishings, because it can peel the wax off your furniture and leave it looking dull after repeated applications of the same solution. In fact, it is advisable to avoid soaking hardwood in any of the countless cleaning solutions on the market. Instead, always use furniture polishes made specifically for waxed furniture. Number 4. Ironing clothes. Pouring vinegar into your steam iron's water tank as a disinfectant is inappropriate, because what you don't realize is that you risk permanently damaging the inner workings of the appliance. Almost all steam irons have a protective covering within the tank, and acidic substances commonly found in vinegar can eat away the covering, which then eats away the metallic components. As a result, it's important to read the manual and clean it according to the manufacturer's guidelines. Number 5. Mirrors in the shower room. Whenever you are cleaning the bathroom mirror, stay away from vinegar, as well as other acidic solutions, because the liquid can penetrate behind some parts of the glass and dissolve the metal beneath it, hence disrupting the reflection of the mirror. Over time, this can cause ugly dark stains that smear around the mirror's frame. Additionally, expert home cleaning tips recommend applying cleaning chemicals on a towel instead of directly on the glass to avoid putting too much wetness on the mirrors. Finally, here is your bonus tip. Debris made by your pet. Granted, vinegar is a powerful odor neutralizer that can help you get rid of unpleasant odors. However, vinegar shouldn't be an option when you are trying to get rid of the unpleasant odor from your pet's mess. This is because it is counterproductive. Vinegar does not entirely eradicate the smell from your pet, hence preventing them from marking the same areas as safe areas to create another mess next time. Vinegar is indeed one of the most recommended and effective cleaning agents on the planet. But it is important to understand that vinegar shouldn't be used to clean certain items. We hope these home cleaning tips save you time and money you would have spent on repair or replacement. Enjoyed our content? Give us a thumbs up, Share this video with your friends and subscribe for more of the same. Have questions or ideas? Want to ask us something? Drop us a line in the comments below. Also, we would like to invite to join our virtual online masterclasses to learn more about keeping your home clean and tidy. Thank you for watching, and until next time, FastKlean. A greener and healthier future.